Hey Pre-K, today we're going to play with some sounds and words again, and we are going to start with rhyme. So get your hands ready. For this one, you're going to repeat the rhyming words after me. Ready? Dog, log. Your turn. Dog, log. Went, sent. Your turn. Went, sent. Lick, pick. Your turn. Lick, pick. Duck, luck. Your turn. Duck, luck. Bear, there. Your turn. Bear, there. Yay! Good job. Next, we are going to play with some beginning sounds and words. So we are going to stretch out the beginning sound. Our first word is none. Ready? None. Now it's your turn. None. Great job. So I'll go first. You go second. Had. Had. Next is left. Ready? Left. Left. Rug. Rug. Vase. Now it's your turn. Vase. Good job. That made my lips feel a little silly. Tickled. All right. We're going to put some words together to make new words. I'll go first, then it'll be your turn. You can use your hands and help me. Ready? Oat, meal, oatmeal. Now it's your turn. Oat, meal, oatmeal. Cup, board, cupboard. Now it's your turn. Cup, bird, cupboard. Yeah, good job. Yard, stick, yardstick. Now it's your turn. Yard, stick, yardstick. Snow, man, snowman. Now it's your turn. Snow, man, snowman. Head, light, headlight, head, light, headlight. Great work. So now we're going to play with the ending sounds, just like we did with the beginning sounds. So when we say a word, we're going to hold out the ending sound. Our first word is ham. Watch me first, then it'll be your turn. Ham. Now you try it. Ham. Next we have knob. Ready? Knob. B. Now it's your turn. Knob. B. Next is off. Off. Now it's your turn. Off. Next is give. Ready? Give. Give. And next is fun. Ready? Fun. Now it's your turn. Fun. Great work. Next, we're going to take some words apart to make new words. Our first word is pancake. Pancake. Pan, cake. Now it's your turn. Pancake. Pan, cake. Bookmark. Bookmark. Now it's your turn. Bookmark. Book, mark. Good job. Downstairs. Downstairs. Now it's your turn. Downstairs. Down, stairs. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. Now it's your turn. Wheelchair. Wheel, chair. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Now it's your turn. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Great work. So now we're going to add words to make new words. All right. So you will repeat the word after me, then we will add the word and say it together. Mail. Mail. Add box. What do you get? Mailbox. fire, fire. Add fly. What do you get? Firefly. Birth, birth. Add day. What do you get? Birthday. Suit, suit. Add case. What do you get? Suitcase. Snow, snow. Add storm. What do you get? Snowstorm. Nice work. We're going to take some words apart now. So we're going to take some words away. Birthday without birth. What's left? Day. Sunday without sun. What's left? Day. Weekday without week. What's left? Day. Someday without some. What's left? Day. Great work. We are going to say a poem together now to finish up. So help me make a beat. Ready? Tap, 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 tap. There we go. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare, so the poor dog had no bone. How sad. Hopefully that dog can find a bone. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you later. Thanks for playing with sounds and words with me. Bye.